Hi, Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Palm Beach. I'm standing on one of my favorite boats, the Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This boat was custom ordered for Palm Beach and is loaded with options. You'll notice off the back here, this is a quad V10 400 boat, which is a rocket ship if you want it to be, but that's also going to give you a real low RPM cruise. Incredible motors, very quiet. Going through the boat here, got a huge live well with a divider so you could run two different species. And then, as you know with Whaler, they build these boats for versatility. So as much as this boat is loaded up for fishing, we've got the Gemlux carbon fiber outriggers, huge live well, fish boxes, huge cockpit here that you could work fish. You've also got a lot of nice seating here. So you got the fold down transom seat, and you also have an aft facing seat here. Press a button, you've got a shade that extends out automatically to give you some coverage from the South Florida sun. There's also a starboard fold down seat. You've got two beautiful teak tables, and this boat was ordered with the high gloss teak package. It's a brand new option from Whaler. Adds just a real luxurious look to the boat. You'll see it at the back of the helm seats, and then just different accents throughout the boat. Walking forward to the helm here, you can really see they do a great job. We've got the latest and greatest from Simrad here, twin 16-inch NSO units, flush mounted in black acrylic. I've got your, again, with the high gloss teak, just a beautiful upgrade to the boat. Also with your armrests here. 38 Outrage, you've got Seakeeper, upgraded diesel generator, air-conditioned cabin with a separate head, which is a really nice feature on this size boat. Allow you to get out of the sun into some air conditioning. Up at the bow, great spot, easy to work a fish around the boat, but also got forward-facing backrests, port and starboard, and then with this huge lounger, you can easily have 4 to 5 people laying out with their feet up while underway. This boat loaded again with options. You've got FLIR, open array radar, premium stereo. It's also got the Abaco blue hull sides, upgraded sea gray interior. It's definitely a boat that you're going to want to see in person, and I doubt this boat will last long. If you want more information, my name is Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Palm Beach, and you can reach me 561-427-9217. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to hearing from you.